Let's have a look at the application we just made. Go to the quick start folder and show me what's in there. So we find a readme, a Maven wrapper, and the pom.xml and a source folder in which some default code has been written already. Let's move over to IntelliJ and open this project. So I'm going to open this project. Here it is. And as you can see, it has generated all these files for me with just a simple command we did on the command line. You have the standard Maven layout, there's a bunch of Docker files, and here is the resource it had made for us. So this is a very basic starting point, but this is already a working API. If we're going to start this application, you can see that we are going to get this message right on the screen. And as you can see, it has made a welcome page for us as well. So if you go to the root, then this is what we'll be seeing when we run our application. And very interesting, here is the pom.xml. So these are all the dependencies of our very basic Hello World application. As you can see, this is quite a POM already. So we have the Quarkus Maven plugin, we have the Maven compiler plugin, the Surefire plugin, and it's all here for us out of the box. What it also has done, it has generated the basic test. So it has a test for our Hello World endpoint over here. Let's see what happens when we run this.